welcome. Continuing with our mother and daughter series, today we're going to be making farfalle pasta with broccoli in white sauce.
And this is one of my favorite dishes, and I'm really looking forward to making this. Here are the ingredients. Around 2 cups of farfalle pasta, 2 cups of broccoli. You can substitute it with any other vegetable you want, like spinach. Around 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, pepper for taste, and around 3/4 cup of any grated cheese that you would like to use.
Bring water to a boil in a saucepan, add salt and the pasta. In the same water where the pasta is boiling, I'm just going to add the broccolis and blanch it for a minute or two. So after 2 minutes, the broccoli is ready to be taken out. To make the Alfredo sauce, heat butter in a pan and add the all-purpose flour. Use a whisk to stir and ensure that there are no lumps. Keep stirring for about a minute or two. Now add milk little at a time and keep whisking to ensure no lumps are formed. Add water from the boiling pasta pan and keep whisking. Now add salt, pepper and the seasonings and keep mixing. Now add the cheese and mix it until it forms a nice creamy texture. So as you can see, the pasta is almost done. Remember, the pasta should not be cooked fully until it's soft. It has to be al dente, which means it has to have a slight bite to it. Now add the cooked pasta to the Alfredo sauce. And now we're going to be adding the blanched broccoli to the pasta.
Wow, that pasta looks so awesome, and I'm just so excited to eat it, and it's come together amazing.
And this is the perfect consistency of the pasta. Don't wait for it to be really thick, because once it cools down, it's going to get really thick. So just leave it at this consistency.
Thank you so much for making this for me. I am so happy and really excited to eat this. The creaminess of the sauce and the crunch of the broccoli. This pasta is delicious, Mommy.
Delicious doesn't mean difficult. Stay tuned for more simple, wholesome, and delicious recipes.